Diego, go! Dinosaur Hide-and-Seek, a lift the flap book. Hola, I'm Diego. Baby Jaguar, Alicia, and I are visiting our friend Maya the Maiasaura in the age of the dinosaurs. Maya and her brother Milo are playing hide-and-seek. Maya's looking for Milo. Let's help her find him. Look! Baby Jaguar says he sees the top of a dinosaur's head. Is it Milo? Maiasaurs are duck-billed.
This dinosaur has a duck-like bill, but it's not Milo. It's a Griposaurus dinosaur. Griposaurus. Griposaurus means hook-nosed lizard.
Alicia sees a big tail sticking out from behind a plant. She thinks it must be Milo. What do you think? Maiasaurs have long tails. This dinosaur has a long tail, but it's not Milo. It's a Eupalocephalus dinosaur. Eupalocephalus. The entire body of a Eupalocephalus is covered in bony plates, like a suit of armor. Maiasaurs have a really good sense of smell. Maya says she smells another dinosaur nearby. Is it Milo? No, Maya says this dinosaur smells like trouble. It's a Troodon. Troodon. Troodons have sharp teeth and claws. Maiasaurs are afraid of Troodons. We need to get away from the Troodon quickly so Maya doesn't get scared. The Troodon is blocking our way. We can't run around it because Troodons are fast runners. We need to fly over it. Rescue Pack can help. Say, activate. Rescue Pack can transform into anything we need. What can we use to fly up over the Troodon? A rescue helicopter. Let's hop on. Thanks, Rescue Pack. That was close, but we did it. We got away from the Troodon. Maya isn't scared anymore. Hey, I see a dinosaur's foot peeking through those big trees. It must be Milo. Let's take a look. This dinosaur is too tall to be a Maiasaur. It's not Milo. This is a Brachiosaurus dinosaur. Brachiosaurus. A Brachiosaurus has nostrils on the top of its head. Maya has an idea. She says that Egg Island is where lots of Maiasaurus live. Milo might be there. I'll use my spotting scope to take a look. I see a Maiasaur. Could it be Milo? We reached Egg Island. Maya says her brother Milo has a spot on his tail. Does this dinosaur have a spot on his tail? See, yes he does. We found Milo. Hooray! Thank you for joining us in the time of the dinosaurs and helping Maya find her brother. Mission complete. The end.